So let's start with the introduction of the MOSFET. So called as a MOS transistor, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, and it works like a bijunction polar transistor, and it is a unipolar device. It majority carriers are available for the conduction. Okay, so there are for the conduction, and that's why it is called as a unipolar one by one. So MOSFET terminals, okay, there are three MOSFET terminals. First is gate, second is source, third is drain. Okay, so gate, source and drain. So there are three terminals, and even fourth terminal called as substrate or body. Now what is the use of fourth? The fabrication point of view, we are okay, so there are two different aspects of learning: circuit analysis and how the MOSFET is used for the fabrication of IC. This is the point that we, okay, so this is a MOSFET symbol. MOSFET can be classified into two major categories. One is called as an enhancement type MOSFET, and another is called as a depletion type MOSFET. Okay, so where the channel is created, then that is called as a enhancement type. Okay, so each of these type are further divided into the N channel and P. There are two types of substrate. Okay, so that's why or two type of majority carriers. As we know, electrons is a majority carrier as well as holes are the majority carrier. So there are two types of majority carriers. So that's why the MOSFET is subdivided into two types. One is called as N channel MOSFET and another is called as P channel. Okay, carries in the conduction. The main difference between enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET is the depletion mode. Okay, so the channel is already formed. Okay, so that's why in the depletion type of a MOSFET, depletion mode, the channel is already formed. Okay, so that's why it acts as a normally closed switch, and in case of the enhancement mode, the channel is not formed. Okay, so initially there is no channel, and channel will be created after some time when the voltage is above the threshold voltage. So the channel is formed. Channel is not formed initially. Initially there is no channel, and that's why it is called as a normally open switch. So that's why these are the two main types of MOSFET: enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET. Now, diagram: N channel enhancement MOSFET, and you need to understand the voltage levels. Okay, voltage levels of the terminal. Now, first of all, we need to understand VGS. G terminal is a gate terminal, and it is always connected to the positive. The S terminal is a source terminal. It is connected to the negative voltage, and that's why when you connect here VGS voltage, MOSFET will operate in which mode? That will be on the voltage available at channel. Okay, N channel. Why it is called as N channel? Because N doped regions are used for drain and source, as we will see in the diagram in detail. Okay, so here of N type, and at the drain side there is a depletion region of N type, and that's why both side N type of depletion region is available, and the channel that creates, okay, in between the source and drain, the channel get created after you provide positive voltage at the gate terminal. Okay, you need to understand it very carefully, and that's why the channel will create after the voltage will reach at a particular level, okay, above the threshold level. So that's why here the channel is initially not there. Okay, so that's why here dotted lines are there in the symbol. Okay, these dotted line indicates that initially there is no channel, and after the depletion region get the deposition of the electrons get formed, and there is a channel will get created between source and drain, and then the conduction will start. And that's why here this particular MOSFET is called as normally open type of a, okay, so this is regarding with N channel enhancement MOSFET. Now, why it is called as N channel? Because the depletion of source and drain is of N type, and the substrate is of P type. Okay, the substrate is of P type, and depletion is of N type, channel get form of that is of N type, and use majority carriers are electron. Okay, so that's why this is called as N channel. Channel is available. Okay, so channel will get created, so that's why enhancement mode MOSFET. Okay, so the name is N channel enhancement mode. Now here the next symbol, this is a P channel, so exactly opposite to the N channel. Okay, now here the substrate is of type, substrate is of, and depletion is of type P, and the channel will be of P type. Okay, so the P channel enhancement mode. Okay, so here the depletion mode. Now here there is a channel is available, depletion already requirement, so there is no discontinuity is there, so that's why channel is available, and that's why here the symbol has a something different. Okay, यहाँ पे dash नहीं है, continuous line है. So this is N channel depletion mode, and this is P channel. It varies. Okay, so the structure of a MOSFET varies based on the application, and there is a small change. Okay, all the electronic components are of two types. Okay, all are of, so that is when the voltage levels are small, current levels are small, then the device is called as a signal device, and when the voltage and current levels are large, then the device is called as a power device. Okay, so when the MOSFET is used for IC manufacturing, MOSFET is used for a IC technology, then it should be fairly lateral type of a design. And when the MOSFET is used for power security circuits, okay, then that case the power MOSFETs are utilized, and you need at that time you need huge current. Okay, small currents are not useful, and you need huge current, and for the huge current you there are more depletion is done. Okay, so that's why this power MOSFET construction is obviously something different than the MOSFET used for IC construction. Okay, so this is the main difference, lateral, fairly lateral, and MOSFET used for power MOSFETs are used, and their structure is vertical channel. Start this with diagram. Okay, so written. Okay, so this is a N type depletion, this is N type depletion, and this is a gate which is a P type. Okay, and this is isolation is done, SiO2 layer is there, and here there is electron flow. Okay, and this is a P type of a substrate. Okay, so this is the construction of MOSFET. Now let's start with the working. ठीक है, working किस तरीके से होता है that we will learn. So next point is working of a MOSFET. So let's understand the working of a MOSFET. So MOSFET fairly operates in 3 different regions. Okay, so now as we know there are 4 different types of MOSFETs. Okay, as explained in the previous slide. N channel enhancement, P channel enhancement, then N channel depletion, and P channel depletion. Okay, so there are 4 different types of MOSFETs. Now I will explain her N channel enhancement type MOSFET working. Okay, so let's start start to understand the N channel MOSFET. So as I have already explained, so I will use here diagram. Okay, so here I will draw the structure. So this is the, okay, so I will try to explain with this diagram. Okay, so here this is a source terminal S. Okay, so this is a source terminal, this is drain terminal, and this is gate terminal. Okay, so this is a source terminal, gate terminal, and drain terminal. So gate is connected with the positive voltage, source is connected with the negative voltage, and drain is connected with the positive voltage. Okay, so these are the voltage levels. Okay, so this is a positive voltage, so that's why here positive voltage, and here this is a SiO2, this is a isolation layer. Okay, SiO2 layer is there. Okay, so this is a SiO2 layer, so this will act as a capacitor, Okay, p and so ye capacitor, it will act like a capacitor, and then here the electronic, so that's why here the channel will get created. Okay, so as you increase the voltage at the gate, okay, so first condition, okay, so let's see the condition. So let's see. A channel is created when the voltage between gate and source terminal, okay, this voltage, okay, the voltage between gate and source terminal, I already explained you that S is connected to negative and G is connected to the positive. As so this is the controlling voltage, okay, and when this particular voltage will decide the mode of operation of the MOSFET. So a channel is created when the voltage between gate and source terminal is greater than threshold voltage. So there is a threshold voltage, minimum voltage level that is required to start the conduction of the MOSFET, and that is small voltage is called as a threshold voltage. So minimum depletion is matlab n type of material will get deposited between the two end terminals, and then there is a small channel will get created. Okay, and that voltage level is called as VTH voltage. So when this condition achieves, that is VGS is greater than VTH, the device is said to be in the constant resistance mode. Okay, triode mode or constant resistance mode or region, or saturation region. Okay, so like the way as you voltage go on increasing, the conduction will start between source and drain. So this is the operating region, and when VGS is less than threshold, obviously here this is the sixth condition, when VGS is less and threshold level is more. Okay, when the VGS is less and threshold level is more, then this condition is called as the off condition of the device. So gate current is either matlab ki, this device is in the off state and there is no current is flowing between source to drain, and this is called as a drain current. Okay, so voltage, so that's why when the VGS is more than threshold, then only it will start conduction. Okay, so there is a when different regions are there, so it depend upon the VGS value ki what is the operating region of the MOSFET. Okay, so let's understand this point with the help of the characteristic diagram. Okay, so this is the MOSFET characteristic curve. So this particular diagram is a MOSFET characteristics curve. Now, first of all, we need to understand this is the drain current and this is the voltage between drain and source. Okay, so this is the output voltage and this is the output current. So drain is called as a drain side is called as output side. So this is output current and output voltage. So VDS. So here third parameter, that is a gate, and gate is a controlling parameter. So this is the option. This is the region where the VGS is very low. Okay, VGS is very low and it is less than threshold. Okay, when the VGS is low and less than threshold, then this condition is called as a off state condition. So this is a very important region and off region of the MOSFET. And as the VGS goes on increasing, so it is goes on increasing, and once it is more than threshold, okay, VTH plus 1, matlab just little bit more, then it will be in the region called as a, this is the region where the VGS go on increasing the current go on increasing. So VGS is increases, current is increases, and as we know that as voltage increases, current increases, voltage and current are proportional to each other, and this region of operation is called as a linear region. Okay, this particular operation is called as a linear region. Okay, so this here the in the linear region, a triode region or linear region, VDS is less than VGS minus